ordered one of these little, what do you call them, solid state hard drive deals there. Here's the box that came in. They're awful little, very small. But it's a 250, it's a 500 gigabyte. And so I'm going to try that. Everybody says they're faster and everything, and I don't know if they really are or not, but now I'm getting ready to transfer everything off my old hard drive onto this one. And they've got, what do you call them, programs on the computer there that you can do that. The one I'm going to try here is at a Cronus. I think it's ACRONIS or Cronus. And we're going to see how that works out. So I don't know if I'm going to, well, I'm not going to show putting this thing in the computer. Actually, I've ordered a little carriage for this, but it didn't come in yet. It makes it fit in the same place where your regular 5.5 or whatever it is thing works. So, all right, well, we get a little more done. We'll get back at it here. Now that little gadget is sort of hanging right here. And when I get that carriage deal, well, it'll fit up in here with the rest of these. It's a thing that's big enough to make it just like, so it slides in there. So that's the gist of that. Well, we'll see if it recognizes that hard drive. I don't see it. I do not see it. It's not here. These are the two regular ones. So now I got to figure out why it didn't show up. So we'll be back in a little while. Okay, it shows up now. That's it right here. Because I remember somebody said something about you have to format the new one, and I didn't know to do that, so it instructs you how to do it, so I went ahead and got that done. So at least we got it showing up now, so we'll proceed next on something else. A little different change of plan. I'm going to try a different one of these wizards here to change this around. I don't know if this is going to be better or not. All right, now we'll see what proceeds here now. Thank you for using this. We would like to take an opportunity to ask you to register. I'll just say remind me in 7 days. Alright, now this is what we got here. I don't know what I'm seeing. This image. Well, that's the one we want to go to. This one is empty. And let's see here. What happens to say clone this disk? Select disk to clone to. Let's want to clone to. Well, I'm going to have to study on this a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. It's trying to put that on that other disk. I don't know. We'll see when we get done. But I went through a bunch of rigmarole here. This here is a different program to convert, well, not convert, but to clone your entire hard drive. So I don't know. We'll see what happens after a while. It's probably going to take us somewhat of a time. It may take, it could take up to an hour maybe. I don't have very much on this hard drive, so we'll get back later. Finally got through cloning that hard drive and everything, and it says there it took 35 minutes and 42 seconds, which wasn't too bad, but now we'll see what we got out of the whole deal here in a little bit. I'm going to check and see if it's on that disk. It's supposed to be F is the name of the disk here we got, so we're going to see what happens there. Close. Well, what the heck happened there now? Okay, it says close, so we can close it. And looks like there's two exactly the same, which is supposed to be the way it's supposed to be. This is let's see, I don't know, this is the original and this is the SAN disk up here, so they're supposed to be exactly the same as which they are. And this is, I guess, let me just start over and do it differently. Close that. Open up this. And F, that's the one we just got through putting on there, which has got, you can't really tell on that, but anyway, it's got, close the whole thing off. Anyway, come on, get there. It should have the same as all these. That way I can take this stuff, this hard drive out. Just leave this one in. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Okie dokie. Well, we're gonna shut the computer off because you're not supposed to unplug anything unless it's fired up. Let's see what this is here. And that's the one. That's our to drive that old stuff on it. Now, okay, we shut it down. And then we'll get back here. I was going to unhook that, wasn't I? Yes, I was. Okay, we'll just leave the little hard drive on it. Or see if it'll boot. It may not. We might have to go into the BIOS thing and change the boot order or something like that. So we'll see what happens. Let's take it up here. Save the changes. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if it'll. Let's see. It says that. I don't know why it does that. It got two different 7s on there. So let me see how we go here. It looks like it might be going to boot up from that one, but if it don't, we'll change it. Yeah. I don't guess you always have to go in and change that to where it'll boot up a certain drive or the other, but anyway, we'll see what's going on. I know it's supposed to load up faster with this little one, but I don't see right now. It don't seem like it is. It's still taking a while. And nothing like watching the welcome window on a thing like that going round and round. And let's see, okay, what happens now. Alrighty, well, it did boot up and looks like everything is there that I had. Everything is there that I had before. So I'll see here. What we got here is, let me get this one down here. This drive is completely disconnected and we're just running off of this one right here. That's that new one we just put in. Yeah, get down where you see it. Let's run off this little bitty thing here now. So I just got, let me just check another thing here right quick. Let's get up here on the machine here again. And we're going to cancel dash lane for now because that's what puts my passwords in for me. Now let's get up here and see what we got up here on this. Yep. Yep, that's the way it's supposed to work. I think everything is as it's supposed to be. And let's see, it says old Windows. I guess you can load them in if you want to. But I don't really want to. But just to see, you know, it's like the icons. Okay, well that's good enough. We run this thing on long enough. I just want to kind of halfway get. I didn't know what I was doing either. We learned together, but I tried several of them different, what do you call them, clone programs, and some of them are free, and of course the better ones is not free, which, you know, it's real straightforward on that. Okay, enough of this, and thanks for watching and subscribing.